Foxtail Millet, nutritionally richer than white rice, naturally gluten-free, and excellent substitute in many dishes. Today I'll show you exactly how I cook it to maximize nutrient absorption while keeping it fluffy, simple, non-bitter, and perfect every time. Step 1. Wash the foxtail millet. Start with 1 cup of foxtail millet. That gives about 2 servings. A simple rinse is really not enough. That's how I wash it. Add it to a bowl with about 2 cups of cold water and gently rub the grains between your hands like so. You'll notice a slightly soapy texture. That's from the natural saponin coating we are getting rid of, which can taste a little bit bitter and sometimes affect digestion. The water may look cloudy like that. That's completely normal. Just keep going. I usually take my time here. It's kind of meditative, don't you think? So wash until the grains no longer feel soapy. It took me about 3 minutes. For reference. Compared to quinoa, let's say, I noticed that foxtail millet needs more thorough washing, so if you are a little bit extra like me, do a second wash. Finally, drain and rinse well. Step 2. Soak for better nutrient absorption. For improved nutrient absorption, soak the washed millet in 2 cups of water with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 6 to 8 hours or just overnight. This reduces phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can bind minerals like iron, zinc, or calcium. Since I'm focusing on my iron intake, I never skip this step. Unfortunately, yeah, it requires some planning, so I usually soak it in the evening for breakfast or in the morning for lunch or dinner. After soaking, drain the millet, rinse well, and drain again. Step 3. Combine with water. Add the freshly soaked and well-drained millet to a pot. Pour in 1.5 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Step 4. Cook covered. Turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Step 5. Fluff and done. After 12 minutes, turn off the heat. Take the pot off the stove without lifting the lid. Let it steam for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, then you can open the lid, gently fluff with a fork, and that's it, guys. Perfect fluffy foxtail millet. No mush, no bitterness, no burnt pot, or whatever problem you face attempting this. I use this millet for my breakfast bowls or as a rice alternative for my best stews or just in salads. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. Thank you for watching and bon appétit!